We receive stock from all the manufacturing sites and then we distribute it onto customers. There's a fair range of mechanical handling equipment throughout the warehouse, all different types. There's reach trucks, counterbalance, the Clico cranes, and others are stand-ons and electric hand pulls. Brought it in mainly to control the access to the manual handling equipment, obviously for safety reasons. Cadbury's are looking to improve safety on all its sites. Before, the way we control keys, anybody could get access to them and you could end up with unauthorised personnel driving the equipment, which is a serious risk for health and safety. So we had most of the managers going around like jailers. We had big bunches of keys for the equipment. The biggest problem was that if the staff wanted a key and the manager wasn't available, then obviously we're losing time operationally. We link the keys for the Traka into the RF equipment, which is handhelds for the assemblers to use and the loaders and tippers. It has enabled us to save a large amount of costs on such as the RF equipment because we can control it much better. Until we linked it all in, we're getting far too many damaged. Originally when we had Traka put in, we only had the basic model put in down at the bottom end of the warehouse. The guys who work in the RB have a fair distance to travel if they just come into the Traka cabinet. But since we've had more funds, we've updated it by putting a second Traka in the IB. So obviously it's a massive time saving. We have keys in the Traka for such as cost sheds, consumables, and obviously if you use the Traka you can limit access to those so the equipment in those doesn't go a walk. When you've got control over it, you feel better about it. The single most important thing is the control we have. The Traka, it gives us control over everything on site and it allows us to make sure that we've got trained personnel using the right equipment. Since we've had it, you don't notice it's there. It does its job and it saves us basically loads of time and money.